I'm going to ask basics question. We have a bird that can outrun all the birds in the world, but this bird cannot fly. What is that bird? Ostrich. Now we have another bird. This bird, it can swim and swim and swim, but it cannot fly. What is that bird? It's a penguin. It's what? Yeah. Listen, we have another bird. This bird is called the majestic king of the sky. This bird is called. Okay. This bird is called the majestic king of the sky. This bird is called